has something like that. So guys, I'm gonna try and use it, see how it works. Stay there and don't go anywhere. So guys, this is it. I got to put it on the floor, and then I'm going to get on there and show to you. Basically, you place your foot in here, your left foot and the right one. Let me switch the camera, you see how I'm gonna use it. So guys, this is me. There you go. I can already feel my back. So guys, you can do this for your arm. You see that? Ooh. I'm burning. Wow. You feel it here, right to your bum, your back.